I am a translator. Transforming text into creative discovery. Turning movement into animation. And infusing words with emotion.
台北是一个很棒的主办城市。
I am a healer. Exploring the building blocks that make us unique. Discovering new threats before they happen. And searching for the cures to keep them at bay. I am a visionary. Creating new medical miracles. And unlocking the secrets of our sun to keep us safer here on Earth. I am a navigator, finding a single moment in a sea of content.
We're announcing the next generation.
And the perfect setting for our most amazing stories. I am a creator, adding new dimensions to creative expression and reimagining our virtual selves. I am a helper, personalizing our surroundings.
Help me arrange the living room.
Harnessing the wisdom of a million programmers. And turning the real world into a virtual playground. I even helped write the script. Breathe life into the words and compose the melody. I am AI, brought to life by NVIDIA. Deep learning